gonna be making a really yummy Puerto Rican dessert. And it's called Flan de Queso. I've never made flan de queso, so I'm super excited. And I'm gonna be making it with a really, really good special guest. And yes, you heard it, a special guest! Drum roll, please. Okay guys, as you know, I don't even know how to make this. I don't even know all the ingredients. Nino, you gotta take it away.
So it's actually 5 simple ingredients,
Okay.
a blender, and a couple pans.
That sounds pretty easy.
It is. So first off, it's 6 eggs,
Okay.
2 packets of softened cream cheese.
Okay, Nino, wait. I can't see that. That looks blurry and upside down. Let me get my glasses. Okay, I'm ready. Let's continue.
Okay. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk,
Okay,
1 can of evaporated milk,
nice.
and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
That seems pretty easy. Let's get started. Do you want to
Let's
start
do
cracking some of the eggs?
I do.
Okay.
So can you start cutting these up for me into small little blocks so this way it's easier to blend?
Sure. Okay. Oh gosh, guys. This is really neat.
Yeah, it's a little messy job, but you're the one for it.
Okay, so we got 2 of the cream cheese packets. You guys, if you want to make this, you can get any cream cheese that you personally like. Okay. So, Nina, how do you cut this?
So I would cut it the long way 1 time,
Okay.
and then 3 times the short way.
Okay. So the long way. Guys, I'm kind of nervous for this. I've never made it before. Okay. Okay, Nina, so we got that, right?
Yep, and I'll cut it 3 times the short way, so it gets nice little blocks, so it's
1,
easy for us to get out.
2, 3, 2, 3.
It's a little messy job.
I know. Tell me about it. Okay, Nina, let's do the second pack. Okay, guys, so we got the second pack. The first pack was already a handful. Let's see this.
Do you need a hand?
Yes, please. Okay, guys, so we got all the eggs in there. As you can see, we just put 6 eggs. It seems pretty easy so far, but I don't know. After we're going to be cooking that, who knows what's going to happen.
No, it's super deep.
Okay, so you can start putting the packets in there so I have more space.
Yep.
Okay.
Just clean up as we go.
And guys, try not to splash it because you don't want to get it everywhere. Who wants egg on yourself? Like, not me. Okay. So we're just going to put this in. And believe it or not, this step seemed pretty easy. And I'm only 7. Imagine, like, you being older than me, and this would be like a piece of cheesecake. Okay, so there's like a little line in this. I might need a hand with this one, you know.
No problem, hon.
Okay,
I'll finish it off for you.
all right. So after we put all that cream cheese in, what's the next step?
So next, we're gonna start throwing in our evaporated and condensed milk.
Okay, seems pretty easy. Do you want to put this in first, or do you want to start putting that?
So you can open this up for me.
Okay,
You just pull the tab.
okay. Seems pretty easy. Do we
Yeah.
want to lift it up?
Yep, there you go. Just like your beefaronis.
I love beefaronis. Okay,
All right, so
that's
this
cool.
is gonna be super thick.
Okay,
so I'll pour
so
this
you need a
in for you.
spoon. Ugh,
Yep, you
so
wanna make sure you get-
satisfying some music.
And you want to get all of it out. You're a great singer.
Thank you. Okay, there's a little more of this.
A little more in there.
Okay, the glasses really helped, guys.
There
Okay,
you go.
so are we gonna? Is the blender gonna do it all for us?
The blender's gonna do everything. That's why this is just super simple and easy.
Okay. Now which way? Which way are we gonna turn it?
So you want to just give it a quick shake.
Okay.
Do one
Oh
more
my
just
goodness, that
for.
was fast. It was like a magic trick.
Do one more just for fun. Make sure it's all
Okay.
shaken up.
Okay.
So you're gonna just pop that, and you're gonna
Okay.
start turning this way.
Oh, okay. That seems pretty easy. Oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, muscles.
You did it the wrong way.
Yeah, let me try to finish it off for you.
Wait, where's the utensils? Oh, there they are.
There you go. So you're gonna pour that in here.
Okay, are we gonna take this tab off?
No, you don't have to because it's gonna just slide right in there.
This blender started from being all the way down here to almost full.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then last but
This
not
one?
least,
Oh, I forgot.
yep, just 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Okay.
I'll pour it in for you. Ready?
Okay.
And then just pop it right in there.
Oh.
It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. There you go.
Okay, guys. Now, put the top on. Smells really good. Smells really good. Ow.
There you go.
Okay.
And now we blend it.
Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys. So as you can see, we got all of our stuff blended. Nino, what's the next step?
So the next step is we have to make our caramel sauce.
What caramel sauce?
You'll see. Let's go to the stove.
Okay.
So for your caramel sauce,
Okay.
you're gonna need 1/3 cup of water
Mhm.
and 1/2 cup of sugar.
Okay.
Okay? You wanna have the pan getting nice and hot and ready to go. I'm gonna just do this one because I wanna make sure that
Where are we gonna put the water or the sugar first?
we're gonna put the sugar in first.
Okay. Seems pretty easy. Okay, guys, this only took us 2 so far. This is our 3rd one. Okay, now do we start putting the water?
Not just yet. You wanna have it, you want to get the sugar get a little bit hot, give it a little
Okay.
stir. And you'll see it starting to melt
It
up
looks-
a little bit.
It looks starting to get like a little chunky.
Yep. And then now we're gonna throw in our water.
Oh!
Give it a stir. You wanna be quick with this because this is when,
Get him.
yep, this is when,
How does that get so hot so quickly?
because the sugar in the water all start to evaporate.
That looks so good.
So you wanna give it a little bit of time to get hot.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so
And you're gonna see the sugar and water dissolve.
Okay.
And then now you're gonna just lower the heat a little bit and you're gonna let it boil.
Okay, this seems pretty easy. It looks really good. And it's sizzling. It's like,
And now you don't wanna use the spoon anymore, so you wanna just give it a little stir every so often.
okay.
And that's it.
But I was wondering, why do we have the oven on?
So you wanna preheat your oven for 350 degrees so you can get it nice and ready and hot for when we bring in the flan.
So, when are we gonna put the caramel sauce?
Once the caramel sauce is done, we're gonna pour it in the pan. We're gonna let the bottom of the pan coat, and then we're gonna pour in our flan mixture.
So how are we gonna let it coat? Are we just gonna let it sit? Or are we gonna like?
We're gonna give it a little move around. You're gonna see.
Okay. So guys, as you heard, you're gonna want to preheat your oven for 350. How many minutes?
It's gonna cook for 45 minutes.
Okay, 45 minutes. So 350. Preheat your oven to 350 and 45 minutes at the most. Okay, guys, come get it cooler. I like how cool that looks.
You'll start to see the brown color, and once it gets to the nice bright brown color, we're gonna take it off.
Ooh.
Nope, now you can just let it boil for a little bit.
Okay. Okay, Nino, what's the next step?
So you're gonna want to have an adult do this, but you're gonna pour in the caramel mixture into your pan, and it's gonna coat the bottom. So you see that nice brown color?
Okay, so we're just gonna leave it there harden.
Yep, so you're just gonna give it a little move around.
What is that supposed to do to the...
So that helps get the, like, all that nice juice and sugar and flavor. That's all on this right here.
Okay, my question is, how do you get the hard part? Is that kind of the hard part?
This is the hard part right here.
That's kind of crazy, because it's clear right now, but then when we put it in the fridge, it's gonna turn into this brown, whitey consistency. It's weird.
Yep, so you want to coat the whole bottom of the pan. Here, keep doing this for me. I'm gonna put this down.
Okay.
Just move it around for me.
That's hot, guys. Okay, let me put on my little Be Kind gloves, because it's kind of...
You gotta be quick though, because this is gonna start. It's gonna start hardening real soon.
Okay. Okay, guys, this looks super satisfying. And off camera, I say satisfying like that's my main word. Okay, look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
So while that's hardening up.
Okay, guys. So we had some technical difficulties, but we're back.
So, like we said, let the caramel sauce coat the whole bottom of the pan, and now we pour in our flan mixture.
Okay.
So now,
guys, it cracked.
you're gonna pour it nice to the top. And the last step, we have a little bit of extra. The last step is you're gonna have some boiling water, and you're gonna pour it on the inside of this
And
pan.
make sure you have a glow mixture.
And now we transfer it to our oven.
Okay.
You wanna open it up for me?
Would you like your little mini cups?
There you go.
Let me sit back up. And guys, I have some dinner plans with my grandma and papa. So once we're done, I'll meet back up with you guys. Bye! Alright guys, so I just finished eating dinner with my family. And the flan has been sitting in the fridge for 3 hours and we're finally ready to try it. Let's dig in.
My God, it's so good.
Good. But before we leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you can get notified whenever I make a new video. Bye!